guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are in the basement, and I'm pretty sure that I haven't shared this space with you guys since we moved in, and that's been like a year ago now. So I definitely need to update you on the space. So we've been trying to do a lot of renovations and changes slowly but surely, and the basement is definitely a space that we wanted to change and just kind of spruce up a little bit. So this is going to be Colton's man cave, or gentleman's area as he likes to call it. So we have definitely been making changes to it. So I just wanted to update you guys and kind of let you know the changes that we've made and what we have in mind for future changes. So in case you guys don't remember, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a preview of what the space looked like before we started making changes. Right when you walk down the stairs, you have a room to the left, but we're gonna go ahead and walk on around. So it just opens up right in the middle, and it has this wood burning fireplace. And then right here, let's see if I can get some lights on. So then over on this wall, we have some cabinets, and then I put more of my workout things over there. So yeah, this would just be really nice to kind of put some stuff, because we're gonna use this as like our little entertaining space. So we might could put some snacks or some drinks or something. Kind of use this as like the bar area. Over on this side, this is where my main beauty room is going to be. So as you guys can tell right here, there's a lot of space between this wall and the actual fireplace. Well, right here, this is a bedroom. So what we're thinking about doing is taking this wall out and expanding this room so the beauty room can be a little bit bigger. But this might not be something that we do immediately. Maybe once we have another kid, God willing. So this is what this space looks like. So this is the couch that I used to have in the living room, and we're just going to use this in a little entertaining spot. We're actually going to add another piece just to make it a little bit bigger, but we're going to paint down here, and we're going to move the top of this shelving unit and put a big TV up on the wall. And yeah, this room is really spacious. So we're gonna paint down here as well. And then they have some more little cabinets that we'll probably end up taking out of here. You guys can tell we've already made some changes. We painted the walls and also the cabinets. And I just feel like paint is the easiest and most noticeable change that you can make to a space. It's just really easy to spruce up a room with a fresh coat of paint. And I'd say right now the basement is probably about 50% done. We do still have a few things that we want to do to the space, but I definitely wanted to go ahead and update you guys and let you know where we are with the process, because we are slowly but surely making changes to the home, and I wanted to show you guys the basement. We got a really great opportunity to get some new furniture pieces from Rooms to Go, so we were able to add a few things down here. So I was really excited about that. So we got to go in store and pick out what we wanted, and they have some really great pieces. So Rooms to Go has a variety of different furniture pieces and home decor. Pretty much anything that you need for your home, they're gonna have it. I love that they have a showroom, and that way you can go in and see what the furniture is actually going to look like in real life. So our shopping experience was really great. We kind of had an idea of what we wanted before we went in store, but I did want to kind of browse around and see if I changed my mind, because this was the table we were gonna originally get, but we decided to go with something different because they did have a few different options in store that I didn't see online. So it was really great to be able to shop the showroom floor and just see all the different pieces that they had available. So big thank you to Rooms to Go for sponsoring this video, and if you're interested in checking them out or any of the pieces, then go ahead and click the link in the description box. And I do want to go ahead and show you guys some of the changes that we've made. So where I'm currently standing, this is where Colton hangs out the most. He has a bar down here, a big screen TV, and when we were at Rooms to Go, we picked up a table to go in this space. Whenever I first seen this table, I knew that it would be so perfect for down here. I absolutely love it. So it has a black table base and a brown wood-like top, and we did try to add a lot of wood aspects to the space, so I thought this would be perfect, and it just looks really great in this space. Originally we did have a glass table down here, and I'm just over the glass tables because you have to clean them so much. So I was so happy to get this table down here, and it just fits perfect. And we ended up getting another table for down here. So this basement is a pretty big size. We have another room that's gonna be our media space, so it's gonna be where we watch movies and football games and just all fun stuff like that. And we do already have a couch in there, so you might recognize that from our previous home. It was in the living room in that house, but it was just too big to fit in the living room in this house, so I figured it would be perfect for the media room because it's really nice and cozy, really comfortable for watching movies and all of that. So I've had that couch for a couple of years now, and it has been really great. So for the media room, we definitely have a lot that we still need to do. I definitely want to change the paint color. Right now it's a darker gray color, but I think I might go with something a little bit lighter, but I'm really not sure yet. We do plan on getting some custom built cabinets in the front, so we can either do another big screen TV, or we're thinking about doing like a projector screen or something like that. We haven't really decided as of now, so that is one of the big changes that we still are working on. We do also plan on taking all the carpet out of here. I'm just not a fan of carpet. I just feel like it's just not me. I don't like carpet, so we do plan on replacing that. So yeah, since the media space is so big, we just thought it'd be a really good idea to add another table to that area. That way, if we're watching a football game and we have snacks, you have a place to eat or play cards, and just more sitting area in general. So I really love this table, and I think it complements the couch that we already have. So yeah, I really love it. So yeah, we still have a lot of changes that we need to make, but I definitely wanted to go ahead and update you and let you know the progress that we've already made, and I'll definitely keep you updated when we start making more changes. We need to get the carpet up and add that custom cabinet in the media room, and then also there's another bedroom down here, and that's going to be my new beauty space, because once we have baby number 2, my current beauty space will be Uriah's new bedroom, and the new baby will go to Uriah's current bedroom. So yeah, I do have to spruce that area up. We're gonna add another bedroom down here, so we have a lot of changes that we're going to be making. So I just wanted to go ahead and update you guys. But if you enjoyed this type of video, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and as always, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.